Time tracking tools are one of the best ways to improve productivity, but if you're not using them effectively, you're missing out. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use time tracking tools to maximize your focus, minimize distractions, and get more done in less time. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about why time tracking is so powerful. Without tracking your time, it's nearly impossible to know where you're spending it. Are you being productive, or are you getting distracted by non-essential tasks? With the right time tracking tool, you can identify areas where your productivity could improve. The good news is there's software that makes this incredibly easy. When you start using time tracking tools, the first thing you'll want to do is set clear goals. Before you even start the timer, know exactly what you need to accomplish. Whether it's a project deadline or a daily task list, clear goals will help you stay focused. And when you hit start on the timer, you'll have a sense of urgency that encourages you to get the work done. Now, most time tracking software offers automatic tracking as well as manual input options. Automatic tracking is great because it records your work time without you having to remember to start and stop. You can track time for different tasks throughout your day without any effort. Manual input is for when you're working on specific tasks and you want to manually start and stop the timer to get more precise data. Another tip is to break down larger projects into smaller tasks and track each one separately. This way, you can see exactly where your time is going. Are you spending too much time on research or maybe struggling to get started on writing? Having those insights can help you adjust and become more efficient. The next feature you'll want to make use of is reporting. Once you've tracked your time for a few days, pull up the reports to see where you can improve. Are you spending too much time on meetings or checking emails? Reports will give you data to help you optimize your workflow. Look for trends and make adjustments based on the data. Let's not forget about integrations. Many time tracking tools integrate with other productivity apps like calendars, project management tools, and communication platforms. This means you can seamlessly track your work across different tools you're already using. It saves time and ensures you don't have to double enter information. If you're looking for a tool to follow along with in this tutorial, I recommend checking out the software we're using today. It's easy to use and comes with a range of features that will help you improve your productivity. And as a viewer of my channel, you can get an exclusive free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This is a limited time offer, so make sure to grab it while you can. To wrap up, the key takeaway is this. Using a time tracking tool gives you the power to understand where your time is going and make improvements. Set goals, use automatic tracking or manual input, break tasks down into smaller steps, use reports to optimize, and integrate with your existing tools. It's all about efficiency, and these tools make that possible. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below to start tracking your time today. I hope this quick guide helped you learn how to use time tracking tools to improve productivity. Thanks for watching.